Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update an existing WordPress website. In case you're finding it difficult to update your WordPress website, here's how to go about it. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Alright, so from here you go to your backend of the site. Now, how do you know if your WordPress website needs an update? What do you need to do? How do you know? Now, at the back end under the dashboard, you see updates, and you see the notification here says you have about 6 updates there. Now, if we should click this, you will notice that we have 2 types of updates. One is the plugin update, 2 the theme update. Now, the third one is the core WordPress update itself, and as it is here, we have the current version running, so it means the core WordPress website is updated. Now the plugins, we have about 4 plugins that we need to update, and of course we have about 2 themes that needs to be updated. Now what do we do? How do we go about it? The first thing you want to do is to click on each and every one of this. You click on the select all button to select all of it, and you click on update update plugin. So depending on how fast your internet service is, your server where your website is hosted will determine how fast this is. And of course the script, the plugin itself, the script files of the plugin will also determine how fast this would run. Alright, so we'll wait for a while for this and we continue from there. And of course you also need to take look of one thing. While you're updating a plugin or your core WordPress files or the theme, if you refresh the site, you will notice that it would tell you it's unavailable. It says briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. And this is how you know that your website at the moment is going through an update session. Now, what are the importance of having your website updated? You have security features, the updated security features, the scripts, and a lot of things too. You want to ensure that your WordPress website has the updated plugins, the updated themes, and of course the core files of the WordPress itself updated on the server. Another set of videos, I'm going to be showing you how to install a WordPress website, how to build a WordPress site, and of course how to build an e-commerce site as well with WordPress. So you would need to do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, and of course click the notification bell. Now our WordPress website is done. If you refresh these, it should load up the website fine and proper. Now we go back to where we have the updates running, and you can see this is all updates have been completed. Now if you go back to the front end, you see the website is fully updated. Now let's go back to the next update that we have available. So you click on your update button there. We have just these 2 themes. You click on select all to update both themes at the same time. So I'll click on this to update the theme, and this should also take a while. Now if you go back to your front end to refresh to know if this is being updated, you also still see that it is briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. So check back in a minute. Like I said earlier, the files, the server, there are so many factors that will determine how fast your update is being done and of course completed. So let's wait a while for this to be done and we'll check back. Alright, so as you can see, our WordPress site is fully updated, and under the update section we don't have any notification telling us that we need to update our WordPress site, our WordPress theme, or our WordPress plugin. And that is how to update your WordPress site. Now I'm going to be rolling out some new series of videos on how to build a WordPress site, an e-commerce website, and of course how to maintain your servers, your cPanel, and all of that. So you want to ensure that you follow my channel, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get updates. Alright, see you in the next video. Take care.